My name is Jeremy Fields. I'm Crow, Pawnee, and Chickasaw, and I reside in Collinsville, Oklahoma. We enjoy getting out and, getting fresh air, exercise. I mean, from playing disc golf to going hiking in the mountains, all different types of things. We always enjoy time out away, being able to just get out and move, exercise, stretch, get fresh air. I know I've been doing this with them since they were very young, and it's already become an expectation in their lives. When we do have time together, these are the kind of things that they want to do, being able to go and experience something new, explore new places. But at the same time too, I always try to teach them about just being healthy, being aware of their surroundings. A lot of times when we go hiking and things, kind of teach them about different types of plants and trees that go around, medicines, foods, what to eat, what not to eat. Even culturally, it's beneficial.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews and Donnie. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujewi, Ta, Toragun.
Today we are making pumpkin pancakes. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1½ teaspoons cinnamon, ½ cup of low-fat milk, 2 teaspoons applesauce, 1 large egg, ½ cup of canned pumpkin. In a small bowl, mix flour, baking powder, and cinnamon. Set aside. In a large bowl, mix milk, applesauce, egg, and pumpkin. For this recipe, we are using canned pumpkin. Mashed sweet potatoes or fresh pumpkin puree can be used instead of canned. 1 medium pumpkin, about 5 pounds, yields 4½ cups cooked pumpkin. Next, add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients and stir until smooth. Preheat griddle to medium-high heat. Once the griddle is heated, spray with non-stick cooking spray and pour batter onto grill. You will use 1/4 cup of the batter for each pancake. For a flatter, thinner pancake, add an additional ½ cup of low-fat milk to the batter. Cook until bubbly, then flip and cook until done, about 2 minutes on each side. Pumpkin is a traditional food. The Otoe word for pumpkin is wadwa. Pumpkins were grown by Native Americans long before Europeans arrived. Native Americans dried strips of pumpkin and wove them into mats. They also roasted long strips of pumpkin on an open fire and ate them. Pumpkins are rich in beta-carotene, an important antioxidant that is converted into vitamin A in the body. Eating foods with beta-carotene may reduce the risk of developing certain types of cancer and protect against heart disease and some degenerative aspects of aging. When the pancakes are ready to remove from the skillet, serve warm. Add toppings to taste. Try topping pancakes with fresh fruit, powdered sugar, or honey. Enjoy!